Hello everyone and welcome to Scratch Theory. In this video we're going to be decorating our platformer that we made. We made a platformer script, we enabled it so that it wouldn't go through walls, we could bounce off of walls, we would run into ceilings, and yeah, so it's a pretty much complete platformer script. So in this video we're going to be adding decoration. And this is actually really easy. So basically we have a box instead of a cat because when you have a cat you can do things like hang off the edge, and then when you turn around the tail will stick into the wall and you'll teleport over here. And we don't want that, so we need to have it be a shape that doesn't have whiskers and body parts that stick out in strange places, and so that we won't have glitchy things like that happening. But we still want our thing to look like a cat, not a box. So how do we make it look like a cat, but still collide as if there's no tail, or so that it won't do that weird glitch? So I'll show you. So at the beginning, when it's doing all the sensing of this loop, it's going to switch to collider, and it'll do all this sensing as if it was a collider. Then over here we're going to change back to cat, and that's at the end of the frame. And now you can see we can move around, we can't hang off of our whiskers, and we won't do the weird thing. But now we look like a cat without any of the weird glitches, which is pretty nice. Alright, so next what we want to do is make the ground look more pretty. But if we were to go and we were to add decorations to it, like maybe I was to draw a flower, like this, we'll just pretend it's the right colors right now. If I was to draw a flower, and I went over to the flower, I would run into the flower. And if you want that, that's fine. But what if we want grass we can go through and not touch? So what we can do is have another object that looks exactly like that and show it. So, but you can see it's behind it. It doesn't quite look as pretty. So we can have it visible, but then we want this to be invisible. So we could hide this, but then fall through it. So that doesn't work. So what we need to do is make it showing. So we'll go ahead and get when flag clicked looks and change our ghost effect to 100. So it'll basically be invisible, except that we still collide with it. So that's a pretty simple trick. And then the last thing I'm going to do is in backdrops I made some clouds. And I'm by no means an artist or anything. I actually used slash and backslash to create the grass. Here, I'll show you. This is just text, but it's resized, and there's a bunch of slashes and backslashes, and that's what I use to create the grass. So I am by no means an artist, but I think I would definitely say this looks a lot nicer than what it looked like before. So now you have all the collision working perfectly, and it also looks nice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.